I welcome everyone. I am Govindasamy Srinivasan from govindasamysrinivasan.com. Welcome to my Polaris review. We are the dashboard of Polaris, which is a complete auto funnel creation software for top ClickBank products, which I will walk you through in a minute. Now let us look at what this Polaris actually is and what bonuses I have to offer to you. Polaris is getting launched on the October 20th at 9 a.m. EST. And I have put together some exclusive bonuses for those of you who want to pick Polaris through my link. So when you click one of these blue buttons on my bonus page, then you will be taken to the Polaris sales page where you can go and purchase Polaris here. But you need to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page expires, because when that does, all my bonuses will expire and I don't want that to happen. Now let's look at what Polaris is. Customers will get access to 20 complete done-for-you funnels in top ClickBank niches with the highest gravity. That means the highest selling products. You can build unlimited campaign with these 20 funnels and get access to all the marketing resources. Now, what does this marketing resource consist of? The marketing resource consists of email sequences for mailing subscribers and high-quality banners for each funnel, which works with both Google and Facebook ads, plus also the social media. We are also providing a traffic training to help you get started. If this is of interest to you, kindly stick around till the end of this review video, as I'm going to go into more detail of Polaris and my bonuses. Bonus number one. Bonus number one is you can access done for you campaigns for 360 days, which is provided to you by Jono Armstrong, who is the creator of Polaris. Now, Jono Armstrong reviews videos twice in a week, and he creates done for you bonus pages. You can get access to this bonus page. You can just import it into your system, and you can use the review video made by Jono Armstrong to promote his product and make commissions from it. Bonus number two is you will get access to 30 high quality bonuses to give away in your promotions. Bonus number three is you get access to Jono's Launch Hacker course. It's a complete video course which takes you from A to Z how to set up your launch hacking funnel and start making commissions. Bonus number four is access to license rights from Vanquish. This is a product which was launched by Jono Armstrong just a few weeks back. And bonus number five is access to all vendor bonuses. Now, if you want access to all these bonuses, you need to click on this blue button here, and it will take you to the sales page where you can go and purchase Polaris. After purchasing Polaris, you will go to your Warrior Plus account and access your purchase receipt, which will look like this. And when you click on the blue button, it will give you instant access to all my bonuses and vendor bonuses. Now let's jump to the sales page. We are on the sales page of Polaris. So this is the world's best auto funnel software for unlimited commissions and leads from free viral traffic. It's making us $1,200 per day, and now it's your turn. This is a completely automated funnel creation software. You just need to click a few buttons and your funnel is set up, which you can use to drive traffic to and make commissions, which I will show you in the members area. Now you can go through the complete sales page at your own time and understand what you get with this product. We are in the members area of Polaris, and this is a completely automated auto funnel creation software for top products of ClickBank. Now with the front end, you get 20 done for you products which you can create your funnel immediately. Now these are the different categories available inside ClickBank for which you can create your funnel. Okay, you have affiliate marketing, email marketing, general marketing, video marketing, fitness and weight loss, health, self-improvement, dating and relationship, ClickBank high ticket products and top ClickBank products. Now for this demo purpose, let us go into affiliate marketing. Let us choose one of the products here. Now you can go and view the landing page here and thank you page here, and once you are satisfied with the product, you can go and create your funnel. For example, let us say that we will select the CB University. So we create the funnel for this product. So this is a step-by-step process. Now you can go and create your funnel here. So you have to give your campaign name. You say CB demo. Okay, then you go to next step. So from funnel you come to this page. Here you need to create a URL. So let us say CB120. Okay, this is a valid. Now you can see the funnel get created on your right. Okay, on night time. So you can capture the email and name of the person. You can see when you remove the name, only email comes. This is a dynamic page creation. Now here you can link this funnel to your autoresponder. So you can integrate your autoresponder. For us, say, let us say I select get response and I select my list from here. Okay, like this you can. And there are some advanced settings available here where you can change the headlines if you want. Okay, you can go and change the headlines, and you can say go and change the subtitles. You can change the image, video, you can change. You have custom codes where you can put in pixels of Google or Facebook pixels here in the header, body and footer. Once you have done that, you go to the next step where you go and set your thank you page. So this will be the thank you page URL. Okay, you can select a product for promoting from here. So let us say here this is the product you have selected, so you select it. So then you are taken to the product page. Okay, I'll show you how to set up your products in a minute. Okay, then you go to the next step and your funnel is created. So once your funnel is created, you submit it for generating your funnel. Now this is the name of your funnel which we created. This is the landing page URL. This is the thank you page URL. You can download your squeeze page and thank you page, and you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and other social media sites. Now when we return to the dashboard, you can see your funnel is created here. Let me show you just a minute. CB demo. See, this is the funnel which we created, and you can go and edit it at any time you want. Okay, now when I talk to you of the products, you can go and set up your products here. So say affiliate marketing and the CB University. So you can view the product here. Okay, you can view the product here, and you can go and apply for the affiliate link here. Okay, you can enter your username in ClickBank, and you can generate your hop link. You can go and copy it. Okay, and then paste it here. Okay, and then you can save. This way your product is saved with your affiliate link, which you can use in your funnel. So you can send Facebook traffic to it or Google traffic to it, or you can use social media traffic. Now here you have the training videos where you can learn how to set up the complete thing, and you also have traffic tutorial videos. You can set up your autoresponder here. Okay, so this is a complete software which will create your auto funnels with only the click of a few steps. Get off all of this and all my bonuses just for the purchasing of the front end of Polaris, which is $17, where you get the access to the powerful Polaris software and the training modules. Now there are some upsells here which you really don't require for the Polaris software to work, but I will explain here. If it is of interest to you, you can purchase. Now upsell number 1 is Polaris Pro Edition, which is costing $47. You get access to additional 40 complete done for you funnels. The front end comes with 20 funnels. Here you get 40 additional funnels, so you get totally 60 funnels of top in top ClickBank niches, including custom funnels for our handpicked 17 best converting products. So you get the best ClickBank niche funnels and product based funnels in Pro Edition. You also get access to our Traffic and Sales Academy, which is an advanced Facebook, Google, and solo ads traffic training by Rashwin. Upsell number 2 is Polaris Done For You campaign, which is costing $97. You will get access to high ticket ClickBank product funnels, allowing you to bank high commissions using Polaris. These have been carefully picked based on past history and latest conversion rates. You also get regular updates with new high ticket product funnels as and when there's a new offer in ClickBank with high gravity without any additional monthly payments. Included also our commercial license and Polaris app. Upsell number 3 is high ticket Done For You funnel with limitless traffic, which is costing $197. You get full front-end access to all of Jonas 2020 products, which is the Lockdown Formula, Insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript Commission, Bot, Vanquish, plus front-end access to all his future releases. And a bump to commissions through the funnel when they promote any of Jonas' future products. This is a monstrous value that you enjoy instantly and can reap affiliate profits for years to come. Upsell number 4, resellers bundled license costing $197. Here you get reseller and developer rights to Insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript, Bot, Commission Bot, and Vanquish. With dual rights, you are essentially getting your own turnkey digital business to make product vendor profits without creating a thing. So these are awesome bonuses. If you're really interested, you can pick them up and enjoy the commissions. Now to recap the key benefits which you will be getting. You need not pay ridiculous monthly fees for software, and you need not learn how to create complex funnel builders, and no more broken funnels that leak profits, no more hosting or domain fees, no more settling for punny commissions, no more paying for traffic, no more creating your own products and lead magnets, no more waiting for months to see results, no more risking time or effort on unproven methods. All this is covered with a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. So this brings us to the end of our review. You can go ahead and watch the official demo to get an in-depth detail of how the software is working. And you can check out all the bonuses again before you go and purchase Polaris before the price rises. Now, if you liked my review, I encourage you to go and subscribe to my channel so that you will start getting my future reviews whenever they are up online. See you until next. Till then, stay safe, take care. Bye.